Hello guys, this is MuscledRider and welcome back to the channel. So this is the third vlog of the home vlog series, and if you haven't watched the previous two vlogs, then you can always watch the previous two vlogs. They are on the recent uploads on the channel. And coming back to this topic, so today we are going to discuss about my riding years from when I started riding the motorcycle till 2021. So let's get started. So I'm very sure that you know that the riding gears are very much important when you are riding a motorcycle. I'm not going to discuss the aftermath of crash when you don't have a riding gear. I'm going to tell the positives of the riding gear, that is, it is definitely going to save you in the sticky situation, and that's definitely one thing you should consider when you are riding a motorcycle. So let's get started. First thing, when I started riding a motorcycle, I started learning the motorcycle on the Splendor, the Hero Splendor, and that time I was using my dad's helmet. As soon as I got the CBR 250R, first thing I purchased was the helmet. Back then I was a college kid, the budget was not very much big, so I got the Studs helmet. I still use this helmet. This helmet was with some funky graphics. The name of the helmet is the Studs Scorpion helmet. I painted this to the gloss black. I usually use this helmet for commuting in the city. As far as now, commuting in the city has become very rare. The helmet ऐसे ही पड़ा रहता है वैसे भी घर पे. So first thing I bought when I started riding the motorcycle was the helmet. The second thing I bought the helmet was the gloves. I still have that gloves. This were the gloves. The gloves was again the Studs gloves. They were very basic gloves, but still it came with some knuckle protection. So again, still I use this gloves for commuting in the city. So this was the second thing after the helmet what I brought. So moving on to the jacket. So when I started riding the motorcycle, whenever I used to go for the long rides, I used the hoodie because I didn't have the proper riding jacket as such. Back in 2016, I guess 2015 or 16, I don't really remember that. So after understanding how much important the riding jacket is, I bought my first riding jacket. This was the first riding jacket I got, the Axor Riding jacket. So it's still in A1 condition. Obviously I don't use it much because I use the new riding jacket nowadays. So obviously it had all the elbow protection, the back protection and shoulder protection, and it was the mesh jacket. So one mistake I did while buying this riding jacket was I got this riding jacket with the size of L. So this was the first riding jacket, the Axor Riding jacket, which I bought when I started the motorcycle riding. So you saw my first helmet, my first gloves, my first riding jacket. Now it's time to the new helmet. I always was using the Studs helmet for even for the rides, but then again the internal padding was getting loose and the helmet started moving a lot. And always I wanted an DOT certified or ECE certified helmet. Then I went for the MT helmet. I got this helmet when I purchased the Dominar. This helmet had an ECE certification and DOT certification. You know better about the MT helmets. Like most of you guys might be using the MT helmet. Affordable, good value for money. And the second good thing I went for this helmet is I went for the small size. This was the helmet upgrade which I did. So now moving on to the major update. The major upgrade I did was getting a riding pants. I already had a riding jacket. I already had some decent gloves. I already got a new helmet. Now it was a time to get a riding pants. Got a Rynox riding pants. So it has knee protection and has some reflective linings and can be adjusted via this chain and strap if you are using riding boots. So I'm using this riding jacket for almost 3 years now. I'm very much satisfied with the quality they have provided in this riding jacket. You can adjust via this strap also as per your waist size. With this riding jacket, I even got the thermal liner for the legs, for the pants, the rain liner. Basically it's a rain pant, you can call it a rain pant. It has some reflective linings. It is very decent in quality. And one more thing, when I'm riding on the motorcycle and when I don't wear the riding pants in the city, obviously I don't wear the riding pants in the city. So when I don't wear the riding pants and when it is raining, I still use this. You can definitely use this on the normal jeans pant too. So that's an perk. Next thing I went for the upgrade was again the riding jacket. Now I will tell you, I didn't had any intention of buying another riding jacket. I will tell you the story. My riding friend, you might be knowing him, you might have seen him on my channel many times. So even he has an 2018 Dominar. He got the Rynox riding jacket, and then he was going to sell it on OLX. So basically why he was going to sell it, because the size was incorrect. He had a small riding jacket. This riding jacket was not suitable for him, and he always wanted to purchase a proper long touring jacket with lots of pockets and lots of other accessories with him. He went for the Aspida riding jacket, and then he was going to sell this riding jacket on the OLX. He was telling me that अरे मेरे को riding jacket बेचने का है. So I was like, अरे क्यों बेच रहे हैं, मेरे को दे देना. I was expecting that he would give me as a Christmas gift or Diwali gift, because it was that period of year. But then again कंजूस बंदा है, उसने दिया नहीं मेरे को. So I purchased this riding jacket for almost less than half money. This was the best decision I made, because ऐसा जैकेट लेने के लिए मेरे को 8,000 रुपये डालना पड़ता था. This is in proper new condition. So again, thanks Akshay for giving me this. I got this riding jacket. The riding jacket has basic shoulder protection, back protection, elbow protection, everything which a normal riding jacket has. It even has a collar. The older jacket didn't had the collar. The dust won't go inside the riding jacket, and with the riding jacket he gave me the thermal liner as well, thermal liner for riding jacket, and the rain liner. Both the liners can be attached to the riding jacket. I am very much satisfied with the riding jacket, and then my whole set was complete. The riding gears are very much expensive to buy. I totally understand. This took me around 4 years to get a full set. I still haven't got the boots, the riding boots. I use the trekking boots for riding, so they are pretty sturdy. So I really don't have that much necessity to invest this much amount in the riding boots. Obviously you must if you don't have, and if you are not comfortable with other kind of boots, but I'm really comfortable with the trekking boots which I have. So if you want to know which trekking boots I use for the riding, I have a video for that. It will appear in the I button above. Then my whole set was complete, and then my gloves started to give up. So I always wanted a good pair of gloves, because these gloves are XL size. My fingers are barely touching the end of the gloves, so I always wanted to upgrade the gloves. So I got the Aspida gloves. These are the Aspida gloves. These are part leather, part mesh gloves. In short, these gloves are very comfortable, and it has all the protection you need from the gloves. So again, if you want to watch a detailed video on the gloves, then click on the above I button, and I will mention all the video links which are linked to this video in the description. So again, don't forget to check the description of this video. So this were my riding gears. So hope you found this video useful, hope you enjoyed watching the video. And then again, we can't go out, so moto vlogs nahi ho pa rahe and other travel videos nahi ho pa rahe, and that's why I'm making such kind of home vlogs, so that I can stay connected with you. So that's the whole purpose of the home vlog, and I will meet you in the next vlog. Till then, ride safe and drive safe. Bye bye.